okay, and see how that goes. So I'm going to be cutting the same size, 4 by 4 inches in size, and then we do the next one. So the next one, we're going to be cutting 6 circles, just like the first one. So I had cut a square of 4 by 4, and then I turned it into circles as usual, 6 of them. Now you get your threaded needle, and we're going to start stitching, and this is going to be done differently. So you put it into like half moon, okay, and you're going to be stitching from one end to the other with running stitches, okay. So this can be used to decorate your fascinators or your hats as well. You can also use it as a brooch or as a ribbon for your hair, okay. So I'm going to carry on like this with all the rest into the shape of a moon, okay, half moon, and then do your running stitches all around it. I'm going to do that and bring it back here. So you don't cut the thread, you keep stringing them all onto your thread, right? So you keep stringing them all onto it. I'm not cutting it, like you can see, they are all still joined together. Okay, when we finish, we dress it up. Well, you get another one. It's very important that you get all your circles in the same shape, same size, just so that you can have your petals of your fabric flower looking the same, okay. All right, so I'm going to carry on. For this one, I used organza. I'm going to carry on and string all of them onto it, and then we take it from there. Okay, so as usual, we're going to turn it over and bring these two ends together in a stitch just to secure it. All right, so I'm going to bring it over like that and pinch on both ends, and then fasten the opening with a stitch. Okay, then we dress it up now with some beads or some brooch pin, and then that will be it. So yeah, don't worry about all the messy bits, you're going to hide them in the end, so that isn't a problem. So this is what we are looking at. Great. We have a brooch pin to sit in there. This can go on a comb if you want to use it as a ribbon, or as usual as a brooch pin for the end. You can also put it on a hair clip. You can have 2 of these on as a hair clip and use it as a hair clip, or use it as a brooch, but I'm going to be using it as a brooch. So as usual, I get my brooch pin, and then I'll also get something to cover the backing like we did for this one here, okay, and then we finish it off. So I'm going to get my glue gun heated, and then we attach every bit. All right, so this is it. So it's another version of the fabric brooch. I like it. We have 2 different versions. Now we are going to mimic this, okay, in organza